Alright, so this is the exhaust that was on the Buick. Getting an upgraded exhaust today. Gonna be running this 3-inch exhaust into duals. Get rid of this 2 1/4 inch shit. Look at the fuck is that? Who does this? Look at that. It's got the old muffler off of a fucking John Deere tractor. Like, who does this shit? We're gonna start it up with open downpipe, see what it sounds like. Open downpipe life. Sounds pretty good. Alright, here we go. This is going to be the first start.
You stole my car! I literally had a guy.
It's not too bad at idle. Sounds good. Get a little outside view of this here. You want to hold it on the back so we can actually listen to it from the outside because I can't really rev it and hold it. It's got a good sound to it.
Yeah. Definitely sounds a lot better.
What's up, guys? So last night I went to change the plugs. I need new plug wires. I got a misfire at idle, but it doesn't in boost. We discovered so many things jank with the Buick from the original build. Loose wastegate, huge vacuum leak because they had it plumbed wrong to the wastegate and had one of the ports on the bottom of the wastegate open because it's a precision 40 mil wastegate, so it's got 2 vacuum ports. They had a reference line going to one of them and then the other one open, so it was just a huge vacuum leak. Put new auto light 104s in it, gap to 31 thousandths. Got the wastegate hooked up properly, tightened up the downpipe that was loose, got the dual 3-inch exhaust on, and car runs so much better. But now boost control is actually kind of working properly. And it's only making 8-10 pounds now instead of the 14 it was because it had no reference. So I think it's got a 14-pound spring in it, but it makes 8 pounds in first gear and like 10 pounds in second. But my spool is literally 500 or 600 RPM faster than it was before. So I'll show you here. Second. Let this car in front of me get a little ways. Alright, here we go. Sounds wild now, and it's spooky. Alright. See if we can get a little bit better. What's up, y'all? I just wanted to say thank you for watching this video. I appreciate the support I've been getting lately, and I hope you liked it. I hope that you subscribe and share and comment and like the video and do all those weird YouTube-y things you're supposed to do. And I hope you like the Buick content. There will be more probe content later, but for right now it's the Buick, so enjoy.